Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're going to be swapping out the OEM grill with the new Noble sports grill. So I actually damaged my OEM grill probably the second day I had the car. I didn't really realize kind of the space I had with the car. I backed it into the garage and I shut the garage door, and the garage door came down and the hinge hit my grill. So there's a nice gash in my grill, and I immediately was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna get the OEM sport grill. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait and see if somebody brings out something else, and then Noble did. So this is really cool because this is a lot cheaper than the OEM sport grill, and it does have no emblem in it, which I'm super excited about. I may put the emblem in it. It is optional, it comes with one, but it does appear to have some extra support around where the emblem goes and where the front facing camera goes, and it's kind of obvious in some angles, maybe not in others. I think once I have it on the car, I'll decide. If I do put an emblem on it, I'm gonna wait until I have like a black housing emblem instead of the chrome. So we're gonna take the OEM grill off, we're gonna install the sports grill from Noble, and yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in this. I think they're sold out till like March 5th. They said they're gonna be getting more in, so they'll probably be on pre-order right now. They sold these out super quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install this thing. We're gonna pull this bumper off, get this grill out. So removing this bumper is pretty simple, guys. If you just take some time and go around the outside of the bumper, the top, the bottom, the sides, you'll find all the 10mm bolts, all the pop clips, and you'll get the bumper off. If you want to see a detailed video on exactly what you need to remove and how to do it, I did make one on Import Image Racing when I was over there. So you guys can always check that out, but it's pretty simple. So we have some 10mm bolts on the top, a couple pop clips on the top, and then a bunch of pop clips down around the bottom. Unclipping from under the headlight. Yep. Now there is going to be both of your plugs for your fog lights. So I'm gonna have to reach over here and unplug the fogs. All right. So now on the back side of this OEM grill, we're just gonna have a bunch of screws and some clips that we need to push in. So we can remove all of our screws, which our new grill will come with new screws. So now we can kind of pull on the grill as we start to work around these clips. We're just gonna push them in with our finger. It's pretty straightforward. There's our last clip and our grill is out. Here's our OEM grill, and here is that giant gash in it that I was telling you about. So then we'll take our new grill and we will pop it in using all of the same clips that the OEM grill had. It'll just click into place, really easy. And then once we have it clipped in all the way, we'll go on the back side and install our screws. So right here in the front, you can see what I mean. You can see that where the front facing camera would go, and it just looks a little strange. But you get this nice badge insert and you can pop this thing on here. I'm not sure exactly how it would go. Maybe I had it the wrong way. Maybe it goes something like that. But you can put the badge on. The only problem with this system is you would have to get an aftermarket grill or a 15 to 21 WRX badge, because the emblem on the new WRX has these plastic tabs. It has this giant piece right there. So I'm not sure how well you can see that, but this is not going to be able to be used on this even if you wanted to. So if you do get this grill and you want to install a badge, you may want to consider getting some aftermarket badges so that you can put this thing on and install it that way. I kind of like the badgeless look, so that's what I'm going to run with. I'm going to go ahead and install these screws and we'll get this back on the car. I'm going to do these by hand. I usually like to use an impact, as you guys know, but I don't want to over tighten any of these. So this part may be a little tricky, just getting everything lined back up. We have to plug our fog lights back in and everything. So just be kind of patient with yourself. Don't try to rush this part too much. Well guys, that's it for the install of my Noble Sports Grill, my 2022 Subaru WRX. My buddy Tyler just pulled in. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.